Mastering elimination. Choosing the right answer on the ACT math test. Hello, dear viewers. Today, we're diving deep into one of the most effective strategies for the ACT math test: eliminating incorrect answer choices. By mastering this technique, you can boost your chances of picking the right answer, even when you're unsure. Let's get started. When faced with a tricky math problem on the ACT, you might feel a bit overwhelmed. After all, time is of the essence. But here's a secret. Sometimes it's easier to find out which answers are wrong than to pinpoint the correct one. By eliminating obviously incorrect options, you'll narrow down your choices and increase your odds of selecting the right answer. Begin by glancing over the answer choices. Often, you'll notice some answers that just don't fit. Maybe they're too big, too small, or don't make sense given the context of the question. Trust your intuition. If an answer seems off, it probably is. Even if you don't know how to solve a problem right away, you probably understand parts of it. Use your partial knowledge to your advantage. 1. Plug in the answers. Sometimes, working backward by plugging answer choices into the problem can reveal which ones don't work. 2. Consider the units. If the question deals with lengths in meters and an answer choice is in square meters, that's a red flag. 3. Think about properties. If a question asks about an odd integer and one of the choices is even, you can immediately eliminate it. Once you've eliminated the choices you're confident are wrong, and you're still unsure of the correct answer, it's time to make an educated guess. With fewer choices available, your guess has a better chance of being correct. Remember, on the ACT, there's no penalty for wrong answers. So it's always better to guess than to leave a question blank. There you have it. By mastering the art of elimination, you can navigate the challenging waters of the ACT math test with greater confidence and accuracy. We hope you found this video useful. Until next time, keep practicing, and best of luck with your ACT preparation.